ChatGPT, your new best teacher. Hello, my friend. Have you ever wished for a teacher who is always available? A guide who never gets tired? Someone who can help you learn anything, anytime, anywhere? We are now living in a time where learning has no limits, and one of the most powerful tools of this new time is ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. It is your new best teacher. Together, we will explore how ChatGPT is changing education and helping people around the world learn faster, better, and with more joy. Let's begin. Chapter 1. What is ChatGPT? Let's start with the basics. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool created by OpenAI. It can understand your questions and give answers, just like a human teacher. But the special thing is, it can answer almost anything. Math? Yes. English? Yes. Science? Of course. Motivation? Definitely. Life advice? With care. ChatGPT has read millions of books, articles, and lessons. It has studied language, logic, and problem solving. So when you ask it a question, it answers using all that knowledge. But here's the important part. ChatGPT doesn't just give answers. It helps you understand. You can ask it to explain something simply, like you are 5 years old, or ask for a professional level explanation, and it will adjust, just for you. This is why it is becoming one of the best teachers in the world. Not because it knows everything, but because it helps you learn everything. And that is powerful. Chapter 2. Why Students Love ChatGPT. Why are so many students using ChatGPT today? The answer is simple. It makes learning easier. Many students feel shy to ask their teachers questions again and again, but ChatGPT never gets tired. You can ask the same thing 10 times, and it will patiently answer each time. Some students study at night when schools are closed. Some have no tutor at home. But ChatGPT is always there, 24/7. It can explain difficult words, correct your grammar, help with homework, or even teach you how to write an essay. And it does all of this in simple language. Students love ChatGPT because it gives them confidence, it gives them support, and it gives them freedom to learn at their own speed. This is not just technology. This is transformation. Chapter 3. A Teacher for All Subjects. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that it is not just a teacher for one subject. It is a teacher for all subjects. You can ask, how do I solve this math problem? Explain this science theory in easy words. Can you help me understand a poem? What's the history of World War I? And in seconds, you get an answer. Imagine a school where every subject has a personal tutor. That's what ChatGPT offers. It's like having a full school in your pocket. Whether you're in high school, college, or just someone curious about the world, ChatGPT can help you grow every day. Chapter 4. Learning a new language with ChatGPT. Do you want to learn English or any other language? ChatGPT can help you with that too. You can practice speaking by chatting with it. You can ask it to correct your grammar. You can ask for vocabulary, phrases, sentence structure, even pronunciation help. It never laughs at your mistakes. It doesn't judge. It just helps. Language learners around the world are using ChatGPT to practice writing, reading, and even thinking in English. It's like having your own friendly language tutor with no fear and no pressure. If you use it every day, you will notice how much your language improves day by day. Chapter 5. A Coach for Life Skills. School teaches math and science. But what about life? How to stay motivated? How to plan your time? How to improve your habits? How to deal with stress? ChatGPT can help with these too. Many people ask ChatGPT for tips on time management, goal setting, positive thinking, communication skills, public speaking. It can design your study plan or suggest books that change your mindset. In this way, ChatGPT becomes more than a tutor. It becomes a life coach. Chapter 6. Learn at your own speed. In schools, everyone moves at the same pace. But what if you're a slow learner? Or maybe you're faster than the class? That's the problem many students face. But ChatGPT allows you to learn at your own speed. If you need to take it slow, it explains things step by step. If you want to go faster, it gives you advanced materials. This personal learning style is powerful because when you feel in control, you learn better. You are not rushing. You are not waiting. You are learning just the way you want to. Chapter 7. No fear of asking questions. Some people are scared to ask questions in class. They don't want to feel embarrassed. But with ChatGPT, there's no fear. You can ask the most basic question, and it answers kindly. You can ask something again and again, and it never gets annoyed. This freedom is rare. It helps students become brave. It helps them become curious, and curiosity is the real key to becoming smarter. So, ask questions. Ask without fear. That's how learning begins. Chapter 8. Making learning fun. Again, do you remember when learning was fun? When you were curious and excited? ChatGPT brings that feeling back because it's not boring, it's interactive. You can play word games, do quizzes, create stories, or solve puzzles. You can even ask ChatGPT to pretend to be a character, like a detective or scientist, and teach you in that role. Learning becomes like a game, like an adventure. And when learning is fun, you never stop. Chapter 9. A tool for teachers. 2. You may think ChatGPT is only for students, but teachers are using it too. Teachers use it to plan lessons, create quizzes, find new ways to explain things, get ideas for classroom activities, save time and energy. This means ChatGPT is not replacing teachers. It's helping them. It's making them more powerful. A good teacher with a smart tool becomes an even greater guide, and that benefits every student. Chapter 10. Your learning partner for life. We are now living in a world where learning never stops. Whether you are 10 years old or 70 years old, you can learn something new every day. ChatGPT can be your daily learning partner. You can talk to it every morning or night. Ask a new question. Learn a new idea. Grow one step more. It will not replace your hard work, but it will support it. My friend, we are lucky to live in this time. In the past, people had to travel far to find great teachers. Now, one is always near you, on your phone, on your computer, on your side. Use it wisely. Learn something new every day. Don't waste this opportunity. ChatGPT is not just a tool. It is your new best teacher. And the best thing? This teacher never stops believing in you. Keep learning. Keep growing. The journey has just begun.